In this video, I'll show you how to change the screenshot settings on your Samsung so they would be more organized and functional. And watch it till the end, you'll get a very helpful life hack. As our first step, let's open up our settings and let's scroll down to our advanced features tab. Here we are. In our advanced features, we're to locate screenshots and screen recordings. Let's tap on it. So here we have two sections for our screenshots and for our screen recordings. So now we are interested in screenshots. First of all, we have this option to turn on or turn off your toolbar after capturing a screenshot. So it looks like this. If it is enabled, you'll see this toolbar. If it is disabled, any toolbar would appear, right? Next thing is delete after sharing. You can enable it as well. Hide status and navigation bars. Save original screenshot, which lets us to revert to the original screenshots after editing them in gallery. You can choose a format, JPEG or PNG, and where to save screenshots. So you can set up your custom folder. And basically, that is it. Now you can adjust it to yourself, and your screenshots are gonna be organized in a way which you prefer. So if we're gonna make any screenshot, for example, let's screenshot this kitten, we can find it right here. We got our toolbar and all the options which we said worked out. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.